skill, there's experience, there's vehicle. All three play about an equal part, you know? It was cute. This guy's been behind me for a bit. He's actually, he's riding pretty quick. But it's like, he's on a smaller bike, like a maybe 150cc bike. And he I could tell he didn't want to, like, I'm talking, I'm just, I'm vlogging here. And, but I could tell he didn't want to pass me because he was just kind of like, this guy's on a bigger bike, I should let him stay ahead. But meanwhile, I'm not, I'm not riding quick. Anyway, so this is the 9. And it just goes like this for about 2 hours solid. It's a bit, traffic's a little bit going to be heavy, a little bit too heavy because it's a Sunday, and you're gonna not only have all the bikes out, you're also gonna have cars as well that are like just commuting to like somewhere. Like maybe they're heading to the East Coast to go to the beach or something. Who knows? But I don't know. I'm gonna restart the video, and then when after I restart it, I'm just gonna ride quick, and I'm not gonna talk. Okay, I'm on the 9. I got a series on YouTube talking about the 9. I'm gonna check my suction cup, which is of course fucking loose. I got this cool Mohawk, which I really like, and it has 4 suction cups, and 3 of them stick like fucking, as if they were affixed with crazy glue. They fucking stick perfectly, and then just one will not stick. It sticks for like, a little, like 20 minutes, and then it just comes loose. And the other ones stick for fucking a month and don't come loose, and then the one sticks for like 20 minutes. It's got to be broken, which is weird, because how does a suction cup, how do you get a faulty suction cup? But it must have like a leak or something in it, Anyways, I just explained in my series that I was going to restart the camera and then go quick, because I was just putting along talking, so I'm going to shut up and focus on the road. Actually, I'm going to go ride slow for a little bit because I want to film this guy. I like it when I get another quick rider because I can just follow him.